Assalamu alaikum and welcome to 1 to Infinity Reinforcement Club. Our today's topic is area and parameter, and we will discuss the area and parameter of different 2D shapes. Here, first of all, we should know that what is area and what is parameter actually. It's perimeters. So, area and parameters are measuring parameters related to the various 2D figures like rectangles, triangles, square, circle, etc. जो भी आपकी 2D शेप्स होती हैं, जिस तरह से आपके पास सर्कल हो गया, स्क्वायर हो गया, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल हो गया, तो जब हम उनका एरिया या पैरामीटर फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो उसके लिए हम एक सर्टन फार्मूलाज यूज़ करते हैं. First of all, we have to get some idea about area, that how we calculate the area. So what is area actually? Area is total space enclosed by boundary of a plane figure is called the area of that particular figure. राइट किसी भी एक इनक्लोज्ड फिगर की बाउंड्री जो होती है उसका जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं उसकी बाउंड्री को, दिस विल बी नोन एज योर एरिया. In other words, the area of a figure is a measure associated with a part of the plane enclosed figure. The area is measured in centimeter square or the meter square. In the same way, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the border around any enclosed plane figure. किसी भी enclosed figure की जो length होती है, length of the border होता है, that will be known as your perimeter. Therefore, the sum of the sides of plane figure is the perimeter of that particular figure. इसलिए किसी भी आपकी जो फिगर होती है वो सर्कल है, स्क्वायर है, रेक्टेंगल है या कुछ भी है 2D शेप आपकी, तो जब उसकी ऑल साइड्स को हम सम अप करते हैं तो वी विल गेट पैरामीटर. Unit of parameter is the same as the sides of the given figure, like meter or the centimeter. There is a difference in areas units and perimeters units. एरिया के यूनिट्स में डिफरेंस ये है कि आपने इसको स्क्वायर करना होता है और इसको आपने सेम रहने देना होता है जो भी उसकी यूनिट्स गिवन होते हैं साइड्स के. For this I have made a table for it, and that will be more easy for you to understand that how we will calculate the area and parameter of different figures. For example, this is the table. First of all, we will discuss the square. This is the square and this is the figure. Square is 4 equal side shape and it's a 2D shape. So if we have to find the perimeter of square, we will write simply 4a. It means that one side of each side will be equal. So we will multiply with 4 with the number they have given. For instance, this is 6 centimeter of each side. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि हम इस 4 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे and then we will get 24 centimeter. It means ये भी इसकी 6 centimeter है, ये भी 6 centimeter है, ये भी और ये भी. When we have to find the area will be a square or l square. L is the length basically. So formula of area of a square is L square. So what we will do is we will multiply this L one side and this one side will be L square. And as we have taken 6 centimeter on one side, so multiply 6 multiplied by 6 will be 36 centimeter square. As we are multiplying, so the units will also multiply and that will be 2 centimeters will become centimeter square. The second one is rectangle. Rectangle is somehow related to the square. So this is the shape of a rectangle and it also has the 4 angles as well. Formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Why it's 2 into L plus B? Like if we take this two sides, so we are having two lengths and we are having two breadths. So we can write it as 2L plus 2B either, or we can take out this 2 as common and we will write L plus B. So here I have taken 4 centimeter as length and 2 centimeter as breadth. So when we add this 4 plus 2 is 6 and multiply with this 2, that will become 12 centimeter. That will be your perimeter. For area, we are having a formula of area of a rectangle is L into B. यानी आप इसकी लेंथ को ब्रेड से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे and then you will get the area of a rectangle. So that was 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 centimeter square. Don't forget to put square on area. And the third one is the triangle, and it's about right angle triangle. So there is a triangle, it is right angle triangle. It means this angle is having a 90-degree angle, right? So to find the parameter of a right angle triangle, you simply add the base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. So when you will add them, you will get the perimeter. And for area, you are having half of base into hypotenuse, base into height, you may say, right? So half of base into height will be your area, and you will write the answer in units with the centimeter or the meter square, whatever they have given, or even the millimeter square. The last but not the least is the circle. Here is a circle. I have made another video earlier on the circle by explaining every type or everything related to the circle. So half of this point is known as your radius, and the full length which is passing through the center is your diameter, right? So for perimeter, we have to write the formula for circle is 2 pi r, right? So if you are having the value of radius, pi value, you already know that that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So you will multiply all these three numbers and you will get the answer of the perimeter. For area, you are having the formula of pi r square. It means that you have to find the square of radius and you multiply with the pi, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and you will get the answer of your area of a circle. Here are a few more examples of a few more small formulas for the circle. To find the diameter, you have to write the d, and diameter is 2 of r, यानी वो radius का double होता है. So if you are having the radius in your question, you just multiply with 2 and you will get the diameter. So as diameter is double, so radius will be half of the diameter. So that will be your radius. Area, as I explained earlier, that is pi r square, and circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference and perimeter is the same thing in the circle, right? So these are the few formulas that which can help you to calculate the area and perimeter of different 2D shapes. I'll make another video for the area and perimeter of 3D shape, which includes the cube and cuboid. Soon you will watch that video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep watching it. Take care and stay safe.